record. Yeah, I'm recording. You can stop me in the middle anywhere if it is not clear, and then we can basically take full benefit of the time. Yeah, so you need a mobile device, Android or iOS, and a Wi-Fi connection. That's it. And then you can basically you navigate to this website, AI2. You can basically, it's called AI2 App Inventor MIT EDU. You can Google also. So it's loading my sample application. Right. So AI2 App Inventor MIT EDU. So please navigate to that URL, and it may ask you to log in. So you can log in with your Gmail, or you can basically sign up with them. And when you log in, you can basically download this application. This is a companion application on your mobile to test your whatever development you are doing. We can quickly test it without downloading the APK to your mobile device. Basically, it enables you this AI to MIT AI to companion application enables you to debug your any application that you are developing without installing it on your mobile device. So it is like quickly you can simultaneously you can while development you can test it on your mobile device. So this is one quick way. So there are other ways also using USB cable, but for now we'll use this. I mean for beginning in the beginning stages. So please navigate to this address and do a sign up and then download this application. I'm putting the website in the chat. Okay. Okay. So let's go through one tutorial. So that would be best. So so it's like a typical Hello World application. So uh, so can I consider that you guys are doing hands-on, or it's fine if you do hands-on, it's well and good. If not, also it's fine. So if anyone doing hands-on, please, can you communicate in chat or verbally?
I'm just watching.
Okay, no problem. So I think Abhinav, you are open to do hands-on, right? You are doing hands-on, right? Okay, okay, great. He confirmed that, so that's good. So so we'll start with Hello World, Hello Cody. So it's pretty straightforward application. So once you click on that, it basically creates a project for you. So hell, you give a okay, and then the environment will open. So this is the your environment. Typically, the left one will come up only during tutorials. And here, first I will walk you through this environment. Yeah. So this designer tool is pretty interesting and it's very intuitive, and I like this. So you have in the left side your palette, you have got user interface, control panel, you have your layout controls. So you can basically define your layout, how your user interface layout looks like, and media controls, drawing and animation controls, maps. So you can include all these in your applications, in your apps, which you will develop without any writing code. Okay, that's the beauty. So uh, basically, you might have heard about Ava's app. Okay, that is AAC, Augmented Alternative Communication Tool. So you can develop AAC for your kid using this. Pretty simple, and you can develop games Also, special needs kids can develop games using this, and they can sell also. Once the game is interesting, you can put a price to that. You can develop charts, data science, AI apps, and by the way, you can invoke any web service from this app. So you can invoke any AI services, including Google and then Chat GPT. So it has got sensors, social engineering, social science, social media basically, and then storage. Storage is the important databases, and then Redis, and then connectivity is for web services. It has got special integration with Lego and some experimental and extensions. So extensions is for advanced. So where basically you can, anything is missing from here, you can develop it from native Android or iOS, and then you can bring that into your MIT world, MIT App Inventor world, for others to use and for yourself as well. Okay. Where is our application? Yeah, so this is the hello world. Welcome to Hour of Code. So set up your computer, nothing much in the setup. Uh, so as I mentioned, you have to install the companion application, then you can test it. Okay, we'll jump to the code. So there are two main components to App Inventor. So he's talking about, I'll explain you. So, okay. So you have designer. So what we were seeing is designer area. This is all designer, and then blocks. So this is where your control structure comes, your control flow. So you can control your logic and your event handling and all that you can do in the blocks. Okay. And then, yeah, so that's that part. And then designer components, we have discussed the designer components. And then, yeah, so he's suggesting to, in this tutorial, in this hello world or hour of code kind of this hello world kind of application. So from user interface palette, drag a button. So let's go to designer. Currently we are in blocks. And folks, please talk and stop me. Let us keep it interactive. Okay. Button. Okay, let's drag and drop it. And then next, add a label. He's saying label. So this is the label. So we have drag and drop a button and a label. So these are typical user interface elements that we typically see in any web application or mobile application.
Yeah.
Okay. And then somebody, let's mute. Okay. Yeah. So next is so it has got sound also. So let's add sound. Okay. Media. So in the media sound, let's drag a sound. It is invisible in the UI, but you can find all the components in the right side, whatever you have added. Okay, we have dropped the, because this is a non-visible component, the sound will drop to the bottom rather than appearing on the viewer screen itself. Yeah, we don't see it here, but we see it in the components list. Next. So we will now set the properties of the individual elements we have added. Button properties in the components window, click on button, set the height to automatic. So that is a default. So height is default. Default it is automatic. So the default height.
So I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Is this the website free?
Yeah. This is free. You have to log in. That's it. You have to sign up so that your
Okay, how do
project
we
is.
come to this page?
I have in the chat, I have kept it. in the
I didn't
chat.
receive.
So, oh, sorry, this is gone to direct message. That gone to direct message. This is a little unintuitive tool. So I have messaged you again. So
Okay.
you can go to that website. You can sign in using your Google account or Facebook account, or you can sign up as well. Okay. Yeah. And then, sorry, where was our screen? Yeah, the third tab here. Yeah. So, and set the width property to fill parent. So then it will be a bigger button, fill parent. So this is taking total complete the width of the screen. And then this will allow Kodi to be a large square width of your device's screen. Set the image property to Kodi JPG. So uh, we need an image. Okay, so here we have come from the tutorial section, right? So they have included the resources. So that's good. We otherwise we have to just go to Google search and download some images. We can upload also via this. Okay, we have set the button image. This button is huge, right? And then set the text property to be empty. Yeah, we can basically uh, remove this text. This is the default text. So we have removed the text here. So text for button one you're seeing here, right? So we have removed that now. It will go off. The text is gone. And then just erase. Okay, that's it. We are all set here. So the button properties are set. And then label properties. In the components window, click on the label one and the properties window appear. Set the background color property to any color you like. Okay, let's set the background color. This is the label. We can click here or else we can click here as well. And then we have to set the background color. Background color is currently in white here. Let me put some orange. Okay, and then set font size property to 30. The font size 30. And then text property to touch the B. The last is a text property, touch the B, touch the B. Okay. And set the text color property to any color you like as long as it contrasts well with the background color. So text color, what shall we make? Custom color, I'll make it a little grayer. Right. Little darker. Right. Okay, so this is also done. And then next it's saying connect and run the app. Let's run our app to see what it looks like. So folks, are you guys in the middle so that you can basically along with me you can test as well. So are you guys able to log into this website?
Yes,
Or
sir.
okay, you are able to log in, right? And Did you able to find this? Let me just give you this link as well to the tutorials. I'll give you the link. Go to guide, and then I think in the resources they have get started. They have um, beginners tutorials. So this link as well, I will ping you. So I think this is going to group chat. Yeah, group chat. Okay. So you can go there, and in the little, if you go down, you can click on the tutorial link, and it will open your designer view there and then, and you can see what I'm currently doing. So, okay. So I think now let me go my basically okay, my meeting will end in 10 minutes. So if it ends in 10 minutes, let's regroup. I will send you a new link. Okay. From that link, you can rejoin. So let me open. My project got closed because I was basically navigating elsewhere to get you the links. So let me open my projects, and we were doing hour of code, right? So it's here. I think it's in another window. Anyways, continue with both sessions. Okay. Continue with multiple sessions. Okay, there is, I think I opened two windows, so it got into some inconsistent state. Okay, it's here. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, this is the hour of code thing. And let me basically reopen it. It got killed. I'll open it again. New window, AI2, this one. Yeah, all right. It saves well, but if sometimes if you basically fall into this kind of runtime errors, right? Simply close the browser and reopen. And sometimes if you don't close the browser, right, you may find that your contents are got missed also. It can give that impression, but everything would be intact. Just simply restart your browser. Okay, we were in, I think, in the middle of the instructions. I think eighth or ninth. We were able to run the app. So to run the app, basically you basically run the go to connect menu and run AI companion. Then it gives you a QR code and also basically a small code like a OTP kind of thing. So open your companion app from your mobile, from your companion, from your installed companion, open your companion app, and then
So should we install an app for this in our mobile?
yeah. So in the beginning, I was telling about that. So once you are to test the application, right? There are a couple of ways to test the application. You can go to connect and basically, uh, first thing is you can download the APK. Once you click APK, it will make an APK of your developed application, and that can be installed in mobile in Android mobiles. Okay, that is one way, but every time you have to install, it's a pain thing. And then you have USB way also, which is hard connection. That is also not, I don't like that hard connection. I have to roam with that wire. So you will get a QR code to download. It will give you. Yeah, this is the, you can download the APK, or you can scan through your camera and you will get the download link of your APK and you can install it. Or you can simply use the AI companion app I'm talking about. You can download it from help, go to help and companion information. So take that companion information, and this is the download URL, or you can scan it. then you can install this companion app. So the companion app lets you basically, the companion app is pretty straightforward. You can scan the basically QR code. So in your project, this is the project, right? We made here progress. So in your project, basically when you click on AI companion, you get a QR code. So scan it from your mobile. It will in few seconds, basically I have scanned from my mobile. So it's doing randomize with my mobile. It's syncing into my
So we have to
mobile.
use Google Scanner.
Not needed at all. So did you install this thing, companion app? This one? You have
Have to.
installed. This is, if you scan it, you can download. It may be in the Google Play Store, I don't know. And this MIT website, I trust it. This is not a malware. This is MIT App Inventor. It is pretty basically popular. I mean, at least it is common in engineering students. They use it. This website is used by many engineering students, and MIT is Massachusetts Institute of Technology. It's run by them, and you can go to about, and you can read about it. MIT App Inventor, and maybe it will be available in App Store. I don't know, but you can download it from here by scanning here. Let's check in Play Store, Google Play Store. Uh, Google Play Store. And again, if the Zoom session ends, in the WhatsApp group, I will share you the new URL, and we can use from there. So what is the name of the MIT AI2 companion? MIT AI2, MIT AI2 companion. I think it's here as well. Yeah, it's here on the Google site also. You can download from here. Folks, did you see this? Did you hear me?
So I just installed it in my mobile.
Perfect. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. Pretty straightforward, nothing fancy in this. So once this app is opened, open that app, scan your QR code. So once I have done my development right here, it's a pretty simple and good development. I mean, in this training tutorial they have given. So it's still, there are a few steps left. Okay, let's do them. But you basically use the AI companion, and using your app companion tool, MIT companion tool, scan it, and your application will be live on your mobile. The application, we are building it, right? So on whatever state it is, it need not be completely ready. Okay, just add a label. All that is also fine. Like just add this label, touch the B, and these steps are pretty straightforward. Nothing rocket science here. And you can basically connect, and you can see your application. So I'll give you half more minute, and then we'll go to the next steps. So basically, if you don't have a phone or tablet, you can run the app using an emulator to the browser. So here there are instructions. This is little lengthy approach. This is emulator basically. Okay, we'll go to the next steps. And please feel free to talk, ask questions. Okay. Right. So next there, here it is talking about configuring the sound properties. Click the sound component pane in the properties under source, select B sound. Okay. So we have sound component here, and we have clicked the sound component in the component section that we have drag and dropped in the beginning. So folks who are doing hands-on, right, please speak. So are you able to follow me. So are you able to see the left side instructions? Pretty straightforward instructions. Then even though you're running behind me, then also it's fine. Okay, Abhinav says yes. And then folks, so hope you are able to see the left side instructions. Then you can complete it at your own pace. Okay. In the sound, we drag and
So
drop.
should we code along with you?
Now it is not possible. Just try to follow the instructions. There are one by one. So you are able to see the screen, the question, the left one.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, perfect. Then the pretty straightforward instructions are there. If you have any questions, you can ask in the chat. Okay, if you are stuck anywhere, you can ask. Okay, so I'm slowing down. Okay, use that gap to catch up. Okay, so here, so I'm repeating here. Okay, I drag and dropped a button from here left. I basically drag and dropped.